name is Drew, your hostess for the mostest, and today I am doing more art in Accra. Christmas has officially started. I'm at Kempinski at the Accra Arts Week. Now I'm so excited because this is going to be an amazing exhibition showing art, all of Ghanaian art, African art, from fashion shows, dances, and so many things for us to see down there. So stick and stay, don't go anywhere. I thought I would look the part. Let's see how it goes. To enter the actual gallery now for the Accra Art Week. I'm excited to see what we've got in store. I mean, this is really showcasing African and Ghanaian art, and I'm so excited. I mean, this is the best time to showcase it. So let's see, hopefully I'm going to have someone that's going to give me a bit of a tour and show me what these things are. We got some little tidbits, some little nibbles. I mean, they're really looking after us over here. And I'm with Sydney. He's from Accra, Germany. You know, people are coming from all around the world here, and he is also one of the organizers that helped make this happen. So it's only right that Sydney gives us a tour.
Yeah, so
right, let's go.
We have different kind of painters, artists, musicians, and all what you can imagine. It's all about the art week, yo.
Right.
Come, let's go through.
Let's go. Oh, wow.
Yeah, what do you think about this?
I think this is absolutely amazing, guys. Look, this is beautiful.
I would say this is a masterpiece because it's, check the details.
It's made out of cloth.
Yeah, made out of cloth.
Cloth, and what are these materials here?
That's also cloth.
Oh, wow.
Waxed out.
Waxed
yeah.
cloth.
Yeah.
This is amazing. Are you an artist? Do you know how to like create stuff?
I can paint a bit,
Okay.
but I do more of pencil work.
Pencil work. So when are you gonna draw a picture of me?
Well,
Guys, he's gonna draw
soon. I'm gonna surprise you soon.
Okay, I like.
Yeah.
So I mean, this whole exhibition, how long did it even take to come together?
We took 3 weeks of building all this.
Wow.
Yeah, and it's gonna be here for a month.
A month?
Yeah, so we're gonna display all this. Sorry?
So everyone needs to come and check it out.
Yeah.
All right, let's keep going.
Okay,
What else?
follow. Let's go. Look at this masterpiece. From Howard, right?
No, Harrison.
Harrison, yeah.
Harrison,
Yes.
you're Harrison?
Yes, I'm Harrison.
You created this masterpiece over here?
Actually, this is like an initiative of the Banque Société Générale. And then all of these artworks were from 10 different artists.
Wow.
Where are you going?
And the nice thing is, they were all made in a week.
What?
Wow.
This was
Guys,
made
look at this. 1 week.
From design phase to execution to finishing, everything in a week.
Yeah, that's dope.
Amazing.
Dope.
What? Look at this.
Yes.
Oh my, are these like handmade?
Handmade. We have videos of them working. I mean, that's it. So basically, that's the page.
Create, how's it called? Graffiti or what?
Activity.
Eesh.
Activity.
Let me get the
It's dope,
picture.
yo.
Yeah. Basically. So this shows like all the representations of the art, the artist's name,
And how long it took to make?
Just a week.
Just one. You guys are super talented.
Yeah.
That's amazing. And you did it all to make sure that you're here at the Accra Art Week.
Basically.
Nah, fabulous.
Yeah. So actually, in the end, you're going to be awarded like the best artist.
The best artist is going to walk away with one of these.
Yeah.
Now I wish I was an artist.
You are an
I
artist.
wish I was an artist.
Okay, so come, guys. Let's
have a look at this.
Let's come to the Ashanti region.
We're going to
Royalty.
Let me sit on it. Let me sit on
All
Ooh, as if
right.
I'm
Why
a
don't
queen.
you? Okay, then I'll be your king then.
Yeah, you're gonna be the king. I'm
Yeah.
the queen. Ooh, royalty. I love that royalty in the kingdom.
No, I would say art is life and life is art.
Oh, I like that. Art is life, life is art. Beautiful.
Well, this is also a masterpiece I like.
Okay.
What do you think about this?
I think this is cool. This represents like real life in Ghana, like the normal
Mall,
roadside
yeah.
hustlers, the real
The
area
local,
boys.
the street.
Yeah, street life in Ghana.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay.
So you have to show me your favorite
My
painting.
favorite. Okay, let's go.
let's
around
go
and
through
see if
then.
I can find my favorite. Well, I really do like this dice effect, guys. I do like this dice
So-
effect. I think it's very more than dope.
You like rolling dice?
I love the rolling of the dice.
Oh, they like making ching.
Where else is that? Look at this. Sculpture?
Yeah.
Do you know who made it?
This from Amber Gallery.
Okay.
Gallery just right here.
Okay, we went to that gallery last few weeks actually.
I think this probably going for 16,000.
It's crazy.
So
I think
be
that-
mentally prepared if you love art.
That's it. Do you think if you like art, you need to be able to have money?
Well, I would say yes and no, but some masterpieces cost a lot. It's value because it takes time to put details to create the art. So I would say yeah, you should have money.
You have to put some money on that artistic, creative
yeah,
mind.
Create on us, yeah.
Come on.
Hey, go girl. Let's check this out. Looks like an ape.
It looks like an ape, but
This one too, right?
this one reminds me of that Ghanaian artist, RJZ.
Yeah, I think that. What's the name?
Tyler.
Tyler, yeah.
Yeah.
Tyler Day here, yeah.
It's a very interesting way of,
Yeah,
capturing art.
yeah.
I really want to know like what the artist was thinking putting all of these extra colors. What are they trying to tell
Well,
us?
these are visions that they see. From the 3D to the HD, from the third dimension to the high definition.
Wow.
So, like it's imagination. Just imagine something and put it outbound.
Yeah.
Express emotions, feelings through it so that people can relate to it. So,
I like that. Oh, I think I like this one actually. I think this is very simple.
Yes,
I like simple
right.
and elegant stuff. Very classy, and she's wearing my favorite color, purple. Purple, lilac is my favorite color.
Really?
So I'm like, okay, simplicity, artistic, especially because I'm a very vibrant person. So I need to stand out. So everything around me needs to be like classy and calm.
so that you the main,
So that-
the eyes on the cave.
You know?
Oh, you.
Okay, so what else do you think we have to know about this place?
Well, let's go. Let's take a look into the mastercraft shop.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Let's go. Come on. This is beautiful. Now, please tell us the inspiration behind this beautiful piece, because I was already saying how I love the dice. Now you've added the icing on top.
Thank you. So this artwork is actually about decisions in life. It's a series of work, and I just brought two to exhibit and one installation. So from
Wow. Okay. Decisions in life. This is beautiful. And then what about this key? Like, what is this, like turning?
It's a turn. The key also represents yourself and other people that help you make decisions in your life. Because then again, you can take a decision for yourself, but then again, other people help you
make
to
that decision,
Yeah.
and that's it. Them turning
Exactly.
you around.
Yeah.
This guy's so creative, man. He is so creative.
I like your glasses.
You know, you be the stylist of all stylists.
Einstein.
Guys, let's focus on the. You know the paintings behind. Did you draw them as well?
No, so it's photographed.
Oh wow!
Yeah,
Oh my goodness!
exactly.
This is like more than. I'm not even ready for all the creativity in this place. You know, I'm gonna go home wanting to learn how to draw because this is beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh, well done, Shim.
About time, yo.
It's about time, baby. Everyone look out for this guy, Shim, the one and only. You're here in Ghana. This is not your first time in Ghana, is it? So tell us about your experience here today.
It's just super nice.
So you're an artist from Germany.
Exactly.
Tell us some of the things that you've created already so far.
Okay, so I have them over here displayed. My brand is called Butterflies and Feathers.
Butterflies and feathers.
Exactly.
Elaborate on how you came up with that.
Size the kartoffel.
But so much fun. Yeah, so Butterflies and Feathers is a German Ghanaian brand.
Oh wow.
And the clothing pieces are made in Portugal, Turkey, and in Ghana.
Oh wow.
And the percentage goes into a foundation where we support street kids in Ghana.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna have to give us a tour of your amazing pieces.
Oh, definitely.
Come on, guys, let's go. See, hey guys, can you imagine me one of these? Oh yeah, body popping, you know, butterflies and feathers be flying.
Mastercraft.
Mastercraft.
Yeah, you
Okay.
have to master your craft.
I like
we
that.
believe that everybody has something special, but you should be able to know how to use it. So, like these are all creatives from different areas, putting all the stuff together, trying to master their craft,
I love
and then
that.
present it to you. So let's take
This
a
is
look.
amazing. It looks like a little marketplace, guys, of entrepreneurs. Like, look at these cute bags. And I love the beads. Okay. Hello. Hi. Are these all handmade? Handmade beaded crafts. This is beautiful. How long did it take for you guys to make one of these? 2 hours, guys.
Yeah.
This is why you need to pay for it, because that's time, sweat, and energy. This is really cute, though. I think this is really pretty. I can see myself working around with one of these.
It'll fit you.
It will? You should buy it for me.
I'll get you later.
Listen, guys, he said he's gonna buy it for me.
Right.
If next week you don't see me with the bag, know he's a liar. See, you've got beads as well.
Yeah.
This is and you're selling what? Shea butter,
Shea butter, natural shea butter.
natural shea butter with vanilla scent.
Yes. And we have shea butter oil here. And
Oh.
this one I use for my beard. And
He used it for his beard. Beard gang, baby, beard gang.
can use
You've been using the same.
this for your
I
skin.
know, right? What's that? Shea butter.
Shea butter.
And what?
Just have the scent.
Oh, smells good.
Ooh, guys, I wish you could smell it. Got my skin glistening.
Yeah.
I smell edible. Yeah.
And we have natural
Honey as well. So
Nothing
you-
added.
just straight.
Straight.
So I might find some bees in here. It's really bright.
You want something calm?
I don't even know.
Okay.
I don't even. This one looks cool too. And it's unisex?
It's unisex.
It's like the dashiki, right?
Yeah. With pockets. Guys, surprise me. I can't pick. Which ones do you guys think?
It's two.
Okay, this one's cool. I like this one. Hey guys, I'm about to change into one of these. Can I wear it with like nothing under? Is it long enough to be a dress?
For you, nope.
You're gonna say no, my booty gonna be hanging out. Ah.
Supposed to be a mixing bowl for me.
Okay, so you're gonna be
But
doing local drinks?
No, mixing bowl for her. So we have castor oil, natural oils with shea butter.
Yeah.
Because we believe every kind of hair needs a special treatment. You can't just make one product for every kind of hair. So we're creating a mixing bar here with castor oil, aloe vera oil, almond oil, shea butter,
nice,
and all those
oils.
natural hair treatment.
But so what do you use? Because you have natural hair as well.
I use shea butter and castor oil.
Okay, you guys, he's giving the secret for a beard gang. Ooh.
Gang, gang.
So far, it's going really, really well.
Yeah, you're enjoying it. I love these earrings. I must say, I keep looking at them.
Provo beads mixed with a little délié.
Look at that, look at that. So made with like Ghanaian materials?
Yes. So it's a mixture. I like to mix and match a whole lot. So using the Provo beads, using like found objects, glass beads and things like that.
And are they handmade?
No. They're not handmade.
No, I said, are they handmade?
Oh, they're handmade. Yes.
Handmade by you.
Translation.
Guys, look, her hands are like totally gifted. Gifted hands, guys. Gifted and talented. Oh my goodness. I really wish I could walk away with one of these that you're wearing because these are perfect.
And someone has got to buy up 2 of these.
Oh my gosh. Don't worry, guys.
I'll have to personally make you.
She's gonna personally make me some. She's already said it here. So if you don't see me wearing them, it means that she lied.
Oh no.
Grab lunges. Big dog. Big dog. Big dog. Big dog. Come on, baby.
Oh my, guys, look at the art. Just look at it. I think I found my favorite already. Is these laughing kids.
Pieces belong to butterflies and feathers.
Oh wow! Did you draw them yourself?
No.
Okay. This is beautiful. Guys, no, look. Oh! I don't know which one I prefer. This one or this one. I don't know which one's my favorite. Don't they look cool? I wish I knew how to draw. I really do. Oh, beautiful. This, just looking at this, you just want to smile. You instantly just want to smile. I know. And look at these pieces. Okay, this is... So in this place, this is designed by you?
Designed by me.
Oh,
the same person at the front.
Guys, you know, sorry, so let's just pause. Designed by me. She's from London. I can hear it. I can hear it. She's from London. When the Londoners unite, we're about to take over right now. So please tell us a little bit about, is this swimwear?
So this is like a beach dress.
Oh.
You can say. So you can wear your swimsuit and you can wear this on top, take it off, and then your swimsuit's underneath.
I need one of these.
Thank you.
Okay, so what's it called? Noir?
It's called Chaymar.
Chaymar.
So these brands are just the brands that are inside Chaymar.
Okay.
These are from Chay, my brand.
Okay.
And then this is Chaymar, a collective of black entrepreneurs.
Love it. So these are handmade by you?
No, so they're made in Ghana by a local Ghanaian.
Oh, we love that. Supporting the Ghanaians and bringing money back to the motherland. That is beautiful. Oh, okay. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Peaches, where you been hiding? Yes, he's been hiding. Guys, this is an actor, you know. You're gonna see him on, well, you probably already seen him on big screen. Sparrow TV. Come and see. Is he not like the best tour guide ever? You the plug, man. You the plug.
Thank you. I got all the skills from the best.
Stop it. Listen, we are going to continue having a great time here at Accra Art Week. Why should they come?
Well, because of uniqueness. That's all what we are about. So because of the uniqueness, masterpieces that we have here, we put time together, good time, experience, network, come see something you never seen before. So all this gives you reason to come to Accra Arts Week.
I love it, I love it. Make sure you guys are down here. We're having way too much fun. I'm about to continue having fun with the music, the drummers, the fashion shows.
Okay.
I'm about to enjoy, so I'll see you guys next week. Mwah.
Grab lunges. Big dog.